I think it was Walmart I went to. I got these things, they were like 15 bucks a piece. LED lights, it has 4, 5, 6, about 10 or 12 LEDs in the middle. It's got a little test button. Now this is my Corvette bubbles. These are like aftermarket lenses you can buy for Corvette. They fit in the back of the 31's body. They're a little Frenched in, but you can test them. Figure we put one over the other. A weird little effect. But I don't want straight LEDs like the back of a Jeep or something, so just another idea. I have been cleaning. I do have these. These are also LED. These are for the Fiero. I've got 4 of these too. A lot more LEDs, but they're not the super bright ones. These are just the regular LEDs. Got these things everywhere. But I need 4 of these. Bing. Well, we can call this the first video of 2012 for EVELYN. I've actually been fiddling with my bandsaw here, straightening out the guides. They're all screwed up. Got to make some new ones. It sat outside, got a little rusty, but it sits outside every year, so that's not a problem. I cover up the motor, and it gets a little rusty, you just clean it up. Car's out here. My keys are jingling. I made a little angle iron brace to go across the bottom here. My floor pan. You can see right there. I have to figure out where my kick panel's going to go and all that stuff, and the firewall, and the body's got to come off, and the door's got to come off. But I'm fixing the tool right now. Get rid of my keys. And made a little wrench rack. That came out pretty good. The doors are going to come off, the body's going to come off. I have to take all the electrical, the brake lines, all that stuff off so I can get the body up on probably a couple sawhorses. I have no idea how to do body work and all that crap, and how to tack panels together and stuff, but we're going to have Dawn do it with me. I like my hinges, they're okay, but I think I'm going to end up ripping the ones out of that Silverline torpedo, the Pontiac. My welder's working, my compressor's actually leaking. I should fix that too. Stupid thing. I should just screw that into there and say, never mind the release. When do you change the hose? It goes leaking again. Nothing crazy, but I did make an angle iron bracket for the front. I got a lot of work to do this year, but I want to drive the damn thing. I should have got some gas and get it started. Maybe I'll do that later today. Battery's charging. Dry cell. Sat all winter. It did get charged over the winter here and there, so it's okay. But I got panels to mess with, and Chevy van panels, and all kinds of stuff to play with this summer. Well, all I can do is clean up, which I have cleaned up a lot. I know it's kind of messy here right now, but that's it. I'm going to work on getting my bandsaw fixed here, because that's what cuts all the little pieces of metal to make that thing go together. And it's working right now. The blade kept popping off. Free from the junkyard. I rebuilt it probably 3 years ago. Just cleaned it up, straightened it out. Bought about 60 bucks in parts and bushings and gears and stuff like that. And put it together, and it works good. Made my own little table for it. A couple of wheels. That's a few videos back. I think I had a video on this thing. I don't remember. But yeah. Happy New Year, and here we are. I'm going to fix that. That sucker's driving me nuts. Alright, well, I fixed that. No more leaky. Damn thing. The petcock on the bottom, I replaced it, because this one wouldn't open. It's full of crap. Damn. So I let all the air and moisture out of there. So that's fixed. And the compressor's fixed again. Dawn's over there grinding. We should go visit Dawn. Good shot. Yeah, let's go visit Dawn and see what he's up to. Look at that. 56, 55, 57, 55. 55, chuck! Fixing the rust, huh? Yeah. Do a video. 69 Buick, no floors. What's sad, Era, is I was born in 67. This guy's 2 years younger than me, and it looks like hell. Actually, getting there. Looking good. Start with an incredibly low price $14.99 conventional Valvoline oil change. I don't know why my drawer wouldn't close. It seems to be that the key lock, the rod, is all screwed up in there. I haven't had a key in it, so the lock's been missing. I'm fixing that. First nice day, like I said, this one's for Dell. We got some gasoline, which isn't cheap. We're gonna throw some down the throat, hook up my little fuel line here, and just at least get her running for this year. First time start since she sat all winter. She's pretty dry. But I'm gonna set you up so you can see it and go from there. There's a rock. Got there. running good. Gotta get some antifreeze in there though. I think he's a little low. Alright, Del, that one's for you, buddy. 2012 first start. Not bad considering she's been sitting all winter. Alright, I gotta shut her down. Yeah, I think we better put some antifreeze in there, because I don't think she's got much in her. Nice. Alright, nothing great. A lot of fixing tools. My bandsaw, which we need. My compressor, which we need. I'm going to clean up some more, as always. I always clean up. I should actually be able to drive her in. Have a good day.